Did you know the shortest war in history lasted less time than your morning coffee break? In 1896, Britain literally threw the world's most expensive tantrum over who got to be king of Zanzibar. When Sultan Khalid grabbed the throne without asking, Britain pretty please first, the British were not having it. They basically sent him a text that said abdicate or we'll blow up your house. Except it was 1896, so it was probably a very formal letter. Khalid thought his wooden palace and tiny boats could take on the British Navy. Spoiler alert, they could not. At 9 in the morning, British warships started blasting. Within minutes, the palace was rubble, the entire Zanzibar Navy was at the bottom of the ocean, and 500 people were dead. Meanwhile, Britain lost exactly one guy. The whole thing was over by 9:40, and some British sailors literally missed the entire war because they were still eating breakfast. Oh, and the best part? Zanzibar had to pay Britain back for all the bullets they used to destroy them.